Hey guys, another episode of Fix It with Matt. Today we're working on my wife's Volvo XC90. I guess the complaint is there's a vibration in the brake pedal when you're just upon braking, you're coming to a stop. So all that's telling me, unless I find a cracked pad or a cracked rotor, which I haven't. Here's the pads. They look perfectly fine. The rotors look okay. There is a pretty defined lip at the end of them, which is what I think is causing that vibration. So I'll probably just go and send them in to get them cut. There's a lot of videos on how to take these brakes apart in the XC90. There's not really much to it. It basically comes down to a couple Allen bolts that come out of the back of the caliper here. There's two of those in the back, and then there's two 18mm bolts that hold the caliper assembly. So once you have those four out, you slide this entire caliper assembly off, hang it up here on your shock tower, and then you have only one little 10mm that holds the rotor to the hub here. And once you get that 10mm out, your rotor basically comes off, and you can go in and get them turned. I'm going to take apart the other side, and then I'll make another video to basically confirm that there's no cracked pad, no cracked or disheveled rotor. And then once I get these turned and back from the shop, these should, the pedal vibration should be alleviated. So more to follow. I will post another video, like I said, and basically that'll just confirm, whether we had a cracked pad, which I would have to go get pads and replace those, or if I was correct and basically just had to get these rotors turned, and we'd be back in business. So I will follow up with you guys in a little bit, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.